Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to use copying and pasting features on this laptop. So let's enter some sample text into this empty text document. And right now, in order to copy it, you have to select either the entire text or part of it, and then either right click and select copy, or use Ctrl C combination of keys and then use Ctrl V combination of keys to paste, or alternatively use right click and select paste. You can also cut the text out by selecting it and then right clicking and selecting cut, or using Ctrl X combination of keys and then Ctrl V again to paste it. And the last option that you can use is the clipboard, and to activate the clipboard you have to press Windows V combination of keys, then click turn on, and this way you will get the clipboard with your latest snips. So if you copy more text or cut more text, then open your clipboard using Windows V, you'll be able to select the part of the text that you want to paste now. And that's how it works with text. Now let's go to the File Explorer and see how it works with files and folders. For example, let's go to the screen recordings folder, and as you can see we have one screen recording right here. So in order to copy it, you can either click on it once to select it, then click copy to copy. You can also right click and select copy, or you can use Ctrl C combination. You can also cut it using cut right here, right click and cut, or use Ctrl X combination. Then let's go to a previous folder and use Ctrl V to paste it right here. And since we cut it out of this folder, if we go back, there will be no longer any files, because this file was moved to a different directory. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.